Welcome to our next lesson, coordinate geometry. So we will see the basic points, how to draw a graph, how to represent various points. So how we draw the graph? X-axis, Y-axis. So we represent various, so we know there are 4 quadrants. So this is X-axis, this is Y-axis. So the junction is origin. So how exact normally we divide into various 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that goes on. So in the y-axis also we mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the minus here, this is positive side, this is positive. This is minus on this side, this is minus. So the negative side also we have to mask 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6, and so on. So the x-axis mark like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this is 7. So in this here 3 plus 3, this is 6. We just mark for reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. So what about this point? Now we will say this is point. Now this point is x-axis 2, y-axis 2. We represent x-axis 2, y-axis 2. What about this point? So let us take it is near this one and here near 3. So this point we say x-axis 3, y-axis 5. So what about the point? Some point like this one, and here say let us say it is 7. X-axis 7, y-axis it is 3, like that we mentioned. What about some point here? Like this. X-axis minus 3, y-axis is 2. So in between any point we have to mention in fractions. What about this point? So we say x-axis is 5, minus 5, minus 5, y-axis minus 1. What about this? Here, for example, this point will take x-axis is 3, y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4. No, this is called first quadrant, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. This is similar to two roads cutting at junction point, and we say, oh, towards east or towards west. So let's take one again. What is the distance between, say, the point here to here, between A and B? There is no x-axis. There is no y-axis. This x or x. This is 3. This is minus 3. Now the distance between AB is 3. So how do we represent this quadrant? B is 3, 0, y-axis 0, A is minus 3, 0. So B is BAB is 3 minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3 is equal to 6. That's how we arrive at the distance. This is how we represent it. You have just at some point, and suppose you want to draw a graph between any 2 points, say 3, 5, and 7, 3. Now simply we have to connect these 2 points and then extend it. So you can write an equation for this line passing through 2 points. So we'll go to next lesson and see how you know what. So you know what is a slope? Slope is the line whose inclination is 90, 45, 30. Find the slope of that whose inclination is 90 degree, 45 degree. So what is it like this? So what this angle between two lines is the angle of inclination. So slope. So what do you call? What is the slope? This theta means slope means tan theta. It's a slope represented by m. So this is what is tan 90. So what is tan 90? So tan theta is, let's mark this ABC. This layer is AB by the ratio of AB by BC is tan theta. So that is a slope. So exactly what given by slope? What is the exact meaning of AB by BC? Increase in the length vertically by increase horizontally ratio. Vertical, how much you are increasing divided by horizontal. So tan 90 so is not defined. We don't. So next, so what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So m value is 1. Tan 45 1 means AB is equal to BC. So the ratio AB by BC is equal to 1. Next, what is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So that is the value of m. Slope is m. What about now tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. So slope m is equal to 0. Slope m means A will coincide with B. So AB by AB is 0. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Tan 0 is Next, when we know slope, find the slope of the line joining the 2 points. So two coordinates are given and we have to find the slope. So let us say the first point is x1, y1. The other point is x2, y2. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is what is y2. y2 is 2, y1 is 2 minus 1 divided by x2. x2 is minus 5, x1 is minus of minus 4. So this is equal to 1 divided by this. This will become plus, so it will become minus. So this is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Slope is equal to minus 1. So we can represent the slope by m. Next problem. So the first point is represented by x1, y1. Next point is represented by x2, y2. And slope is equal to, we'll say, first y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 2 minus y1. So y1 is minus 8. So it's minus of minus 8 divided by x2. x2 is 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 minus this will become plus. So it becomes just 6. Slope is 6. Yeah, 5 minus will become 1. So let us say the next products are here and take the value of slope 3. Okay. So what is the slope? So I will write here, but this point is x1 y1, this point is x2 y2. y2 slope is, you write the formula always, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope is equal to, so y2 is 3, y1 is 0. Now the other x2 is root 3 minus 0 equal to 3 by root 3 is equal to root 3. 3 by root 3 is equal to root 3. So root 3 is the slope. So next problem. Here it is given us in terms of A and B. So it doesn't matter what is A, what is B. This will mark it as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The coordinate difference in coordinate between y2 and y1 divided by x2, x1 is horizontal. This is vertical. Vertical difference by horizontal. That's how the slope we have. y2 in this case is b, y1 is 3b, 3 minus 3b divided by a minus 2a. Is b minus 3b minus 2b, a minus 2a minus a. B minus 3b. Okay? It's equal. The answer is same. So minus minus will get cancelled. No, this is simply is equal to 2b by a. So we'll move to next problem. Find whether the lines drawn through two pairs of points are parallel or perpendicular. So we have to find out the slope of the first pair of points and second one. So if they are parallel, what is the condition? There is parallel perpendicular. So if m slope of the first line and second line we can find out. If m1 and m2, that is the slope of the first line and second line, are equal, then they are parallel. If m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to -1, then the two lines are perpendicular. So we have to find out. So in this we'll take it as x3 or same way x1 y x1 y1 x2 y2 different line, the first two line m1 is equal to y2 minus y1, y minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus 5 is equal to 3 by 5. No minus. What about the second one? Y2 minus y1. The second m2 is equal to 3 minus 0 divided by minus 5. This is also is equal to 3 by minus 3 by. So these two are m1 m2 are equal. So they are parallel. The next one, same way x1 y1 x2 y2. So what is the m1? m1 equal to y2 minus y1. 6 minus 3 divided by 4 minus 3. 6 minus is equal to just 3. Denominator is 1. Next problem. 7 minus 1. M2 is 7 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 4 is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So both are there parallel. And the slope of the line. Next problem. So this is we'll take as x1 y1 x2 y2. Slope m1 is equal to 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 divided by 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 divided by minus equal to 2. m2 is equal to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 divided by 1 minus of minus 1 minus of minus 1. Then from 1 by 2. Is that correct? So in this case, m1 is not equal to m2, or m1 into m is equal to 1. It is not minus 1. So this the result is it is not parallel or not perpendicular. So next problem we will try. So now in each problem we will write the formula first. Slope of m1, like that we have tried. Slope m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to 6 minus of minus 2. Here 1 minus of minus 4 is equal to 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And 2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 divided by minus of minus become plus 1. So this become minus 1 is equal to 4. So m1 is equal to m2. So they are parallel. So if m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1, then only they are perpendicular. So with this we have come to the end of the lesson. We will practice some more lesson, some more problems. So we'll be familiar. So we can do one more thing. Just take one example, anything, slope of the line joining points, you draw actual graph and then see how these lines, we can just in the same way, you note the points minus 4, 1, minus 5 by 2, and 5, comma 2. And another set of points, 4 minus 8 and 5 minus 2. This is a two different lines. You join the line, just extend it and see how it behaves. You draw a rough graph and find out before one problem. Thank you. Please repeat the lessons and just find out. If you draw the graph